Hello future scientists and engineers from us here at Milford Robotics. In this video we're going to give you some helpful tips for launching your first LEGO League robot in the same place every time. Each time you position your robot in the launch area, you get to decide where you put it and what direction it's facing. It's really important to launch your robot in the same position and heading every time you send it out, because you can't know where you are unless you know where you've been. Remember, we're trying to make it so we always know our north-south position, our east-west position, and our heading. One strategy a lot of teams use for launch positioning is to pick a spot on the grid printed in the launch area and try to line up a certain part of the robot to a certain part of the grid. This can work, but it's prone to error. When you use this strategy, it's very easy to make a mistake which can throw off your entire robot mission. The pilots have a lot to think about during the game, and everybody makes mistakes, especially if they're nervous and rushing to get as many missions done as they can in 2.5 minutes. One of the best ways to make sure you start the robot in the same place every time is with a fixture. A fixture is a LEGO assembly you design and build. Usually it's just a rectangular frame or other simple shape. One or more walls of the fixture press right up against one or two of the table walls inside the launch area, and the robot is pushed up against the other side of the fixture. This is a fast and easy way to make sure you are always starting in the same position and heading. Here's an example of a fixture from the Milford Marvelous Masterminds 2019 City Shaper robot. The fixture is just a simple rectangular frame that the pilot pushes up against the south wall. Then they place and push the side of the robot against the fixture. Notice that this sets both the north-south position of the robot as well as the heading, in this case facing east. In the City Shaper game, the inspection area meant that there wasn't any western wall in the launch area, but in other years, when there was, you could use a fixture to set all 3 degrees of freedom. Once the robot is in position, the pilot can hit the button to start the mission. Not only does the fixture position the robot for launch, it also helps keep the robot straight as it drives out of the launch. So remember, fixtures are a simple and effective way to make sure you start in the same place every time. For more First LEGO League robot tips, check out the other videos on our channel. If you have any questions, feedback, or ideas for videos you want to see, then leave us a comment. Till then, thanks for watching the Milford Robotics channel.